My name's Tanner, and I think we're going to do something fun. It is currently July 4th, 2024. Currently out here strolling with my beautiful dog. So the plan today, since I wasn't able to go home, is we're going to fly down to Tombstone, Arizona, home of the original OK Corral, the famous shootout of Wyatt Earp and all those other famous cowboys, and we're going to go see what they got, see if we can see a historical reenactment, maybe a little bit of fireworks, and see how it goes.
Under the southern star, I heal all of my scars. As cicadas sing, ain't it the sweetest dream? Winding kudzu bands untangle of my mind. Happy beloved is my home, sweet home. I've been a drifter down those times.
Okay, quick update. We have made it to Tombstone. This is the beautiful Tombstone Airport. This is the view from the runway. And then if you look to our right, our bitchin' courtesy vehicle, a 1500 with a Hemi. Yes, sir. About to do some Tombstone shit. Giddy up.
How do I define all those good old times? Way on, way back when.
Shootout at the OK Corral.
Full of friends, bitter but mostly sweet, a temporary treat where somebody told me so I didn't know. I've been a drifter down most highways, I've been lost at sea. But there's one thing this world can never take from me. No matter how far I go, no matter how deep the dark, I know I can always count on the southern star. Oh, I've been a drifter down most highways, I've been lost at sea. But there's one thing this world can never take from me. No matter how far I go.
Set up for the fireworks show. We've got the loner steed, tailgate's back, and we're gonna make this thing work.
Under the southern star, I hear all of my scars. As cicadas sing, ain't it the sweetest thing? Winding kudzu bands untangled of my mind. Happy beloved is my home, sweet home. Happy beloved is my home, sweet home.
Oh, that one's up. Oh, that one's up. Man.
I was there when Shooter Dennis was wound to sound like a cassette. I watched Jamie Johnson cut You Can't Cash My Checks. Back then, Ratty Jason Cope was running Shine Sunset to Vine, picking songs with Leroy Powell, making redneckisms rhyme. I guess now everyone knows Cousin Dave, that he's been around a while, proving simple truths in music. They just don't go out of style. It's hard to tell that when you're in it, sometimes a moment's too profane.
So now we're making friends with the Falcon Fire Department. We got this giant badass Oshkosh rig. Thing is a beast. So that's the trip. Safe and sound back in Mesa. Fantastic little trip. Highly recommend going down to Tombstone if you have the chance. But that's it for now. We'll see ya. Cautious to commit, so they surrendered to the game, but nobody
everybody sing like